I know you're looking for more information about Joint Genesis. How it works, where it's sold, its cost effectiveness, and how much it costs to ship to your home. Well, in this full review, I'll tell you everything you need to know. But before we get started, I need to give you an important warning. Due to the fame achieved by this product, some people of bad faith are counterfeiting the formula and selling it as if it is original. You can find the original formula on the official site, which I'll link in the description and pinned comment below. Don't fall into the trap of fake products. Joint Genesis is a supplement that heals and relieves joint pain and inflammation. It's manufactured by Zenith Labs, a reputed GMO facility certified by NSF for sanitation and quality. This supplement is made with 100% natural ingredients and is gluten-free. Among its ingredients, it contains ginger powder, boswellia extract, hyaluronic acid, pine bark extract, black pepper mobley, and pycnogenol. These substances were subjected to scientific studies and precisely measured to ensure the highest levels of quality, purity, and effectiveness. Now, what makes Joint Genesis stand out from everything else you've seen out there? There are three main reasons. First, Joint Genesis acts on the cause of the problem by quickly relieving joint pain, slowing the deterioration of cartilage and bone, and gradually regenerating tissue cells. Second, Joint Genesis is safe. Unlike drugs that can have serious side effects and surgeries that can have post-operative complications. And third, Joint Genesis is extremely affordable. Drugs cost thousands of dollars per month. Surgery can cost tens of thousands of dollars, whereas Joint Genesis corrects your joint problem for a fraction of the cost. Upon starting treatment with Joint Genesis, you can sit comfortably cross-legged on the floor with your grandchildren while happily playing board games with them. Or kneel on the floor to tend the roses without fear of being trapped down there frozen in agony. There are thousands of people who are already benefiting from Joint Genesis, feeling a high level of comfort in their joints and enjoying their freedom and independence. The manufacturer recommends taking 1 capsule a day with a glass of water. Doing the treatment this way, in the first month of use, you will already notice the first results with Joint Genesis. But most people can enjoy all the benefits of the product and achieve more definitive results after 3 months of use. The original Joint Genesis is only available on the manufacturer's official website, which I'll link in the description and first pinned comment below. There are discounts and other promotions available on the packages. It comes in 3 packages: a 30-day supply for $59, a 90-day supply for $49 per bottle, and a 180-day supply for $39 per bottle, with free shipping in the United States. Thanks for giving your valuable time to watch my review. Bye. See you next review.